robots have been all the rage lately, featured in every keynote, demo reel, and futuristic conference about the future of work. But here's the catch. They still aren't quite ready to hit the mainstream. Sure, they're impressive, but they haven't quite nailed human-level dexterity, reliability, or affordability, and trust. Yeah, that's still up in the air. So, let's talk numbers. These robots, once they hit the market, are expected to cost anywhere from $50,000 to $200. Zero, definitely not your typical household gadget. That's a tough pill to swallow for a lot of people. But then, Elon Musk dropped a bombshell: Optimus Gen 3. Musk himself called it the biggest product Tesla has ever made. Ambitious? Absolutely. But does it deliver? Spoiler alert, the Tesla bots you saw serving fries at the Tesla diner. Not the Gen 3 version. In fact, they're still rocking the Gen 2.5 model. Gen 3 is coming, though, and it's expected to launch at scale by the end of 2025, with pre-orders starting in October. Here's the kicker. The base model will run you around $15,989, while a premium version with full functionality will cost more. But can they actually make a humanoid robot that's affordable, reliable, and ready for real work? Optimus isn't just a concept. It's already active in Tesla's gigafactories, handling everything from wire transport to battery sorting. The numbers speak for themselves. Tesla is way ahead of the competition, with advanced AI training, custom actuators, and a team that's designed nearly every part in-house. They're crushing it. But let's face it, building these bots comes with a hefty price tag: GPS, precision motors, and the technology that powers the neural networks are skyrocketing in cost. Musk's XAI is shelling out billions for GPS, and a single H100 card can go for over $40,000. So, how does Tesla plan to build Optimus at such a low price point? It's a puzzle that only time will solve. But Musk is confident they can make up to 12,000 units next year. And here's the thing, real-world tasks are the name of the game. Forget flashy backflips and dance moves. What we care about is whether these robots can reliably do the tasks that consume our time: folding laundry, moving boxes, organizing bolts in the garage. Sure, the design matters, but it's the utility that will win people over. Optimus Gen 3 is slated to perform up to 3,000 tasks, with more degrees of freedom that make it way more human-like. But don't get it twisted, Tesla is working on more than just cool features. The Gen 3 design will come with a front-facing digital display for easy interaction, and a voice system to help the bot understand commands. You won't be left talking to a lifeless robot. You'll have a true assistant. Musk is all about optimizing the hands, too. Why? Because hands are where human intelligence shines. Optimus will feature 20 degrees of freedom in its hands, almost as many as a human hand, making it more versatile than any bot that's come before it. And here's the kicker. Tesla doesn't plan to just stick with internal use. There are plans for a limited release of Optimus Gen 3 to consumers, with predictions that it could become a $10,000 product that completely transforms daily life. Imagine your very own personal assistant, helping with everything from cooking to lawn mowing to keeping you company. The road to mass production won't be smooth. There are still challenges, especially with keeping costs low while delivering a reliable product. But if Tesla gets it right, Optimus could do for humanoid robots what electric cars did for the automotive industry: make them mainstream. What do you think? Will Optimus change the game? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla news. Until next time, stay tuned for more.